My name is Jeff Deaton, and in 2017 we decided we wanted to put these units in our house, and we were sold on them because we wanted both heat and we wanted air conditioning, and we wanted to be able to have multi-climates. And when we were so impressed with their performance, how they looked, how they were installed, and the professionalism with command comfort, that I actually ended up remodeling my whole house around my air conditioners. I run mine almost 24/7, whether it's air conditioning or heat or just for keeping the air circulating. And it's been pennies on the dollar for us. They were so impressive in their performance and the way they brought comfort to this pretty good sized house. And then once we spoke to them and saw that the warranties that came with it and the longevity that these things put out, it was a no-brainer for us. They were very professional in the way they came in. They protected their feet and were very courteous and sat down. All three of the people that were installing sat down on my couch and listened to what I really wanted to do and how I wanted to do it. And I was very impressed by their customer service. It's premium, because we were spending $600 to $700 a month just trying to keep the place cool or heated in Huntington Beach, and it's gone down tremendously, a couple $100 a month, and we run them 24/7. So that's pretty impressive in my book.